Meaning of incorrigibly.
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 Incorrigibly. Incorrigibly is an adverb that describes a person or behavior that is impossible to correct or improve. It suggests that the individual or behavior is deeply ingrained and resistant to change, even when confronted with evidence of its negative effects. An incorrigible person may be seen as stubborn, unyielding, or unwilling to change their ways. If someone is incorrigibly lazy, for example, it means they refuse to put in effort despite repeated attempts at correction. Overall, incorrigibly implies a sense of hopelessness in fixing a particular issue or trait.